Hello friends, welcome back. So in this video, we will do the responsiveness of this section. So as I make the screen smaller, you can see this is not responsive. So let's make this responsive. So let's go to VS Code. First, I will do some styling for H2 tag. So in mobile, if I make this smaller, so this text is too big. Okay, so this is too large. So here I will do LG 6XL, and normally we need text to be 4XL. Okay, if I save this, now as you can see, this text is smaller in mobile device. Okay, now let's do this responsive. This boxes are coming side by side, it should be below one each other. Okay, so for that I don't need grid in mobile, so I'll do LG grid, and normally this will be display block in mobile. So if I save this, you can see these are stacking one below each other, but we need some gap. Okay, so for that I will do space y, that is going to be 8. Okay, if I save this, now you can see we are getting a space in between all the boxes, but in LG screen, okay, in the bigger screen we don't want the space. Okay, so for that we will do LG and space y, we need 0. Okay, save this. Now everything is looking fine. If I make this smaller, so this is responsive. Okay, so the responsiveness is completed. It was very simple, but I want to before we move on to the next next section, I'll show you some more design for this. Okay, so after this h3 tag, okay, let me wrap the h3 tag in a div. So let's wrap this in a div. Okay, save this. Now inside this, after this h3 tag, we will take three more divs. Okay, so let me duplicate class, that is going to be width of 3, okay, height of 3, and bg I need red 500. Okay, save this, go back. So we are getting a square kind of a box, okay, with a red color. Similarly, I want different three different colors. Okay, sorry, two different colors for this two divs. So maybe I can take green, and this I can take yellow, or this can be yellow, okay, like a traffic signal. Save this. Okay, so this is a kind of a traffic signal lights. So now here I will add class that is going to be flex. Save this. Now these are side by side, but we need to add few more classes. So I need items to be center. Okay, now design the center. Now what else we need? We need justify between. This is fine, but still let me wrap this three divs in a container div. So let's do it. Okay, let me add a class here, and here I'll do flex. Okay, save this, go back. So now these three boxes are all together. Now I need space in between all the three boxes, so space X, and I'll give 2. Save this. Now we are getting the space. Okay, this is fine, and this is also fine. Okay, justify between will give a space in between this title and the three buttons. Okay, so now what else we need? Here we need the border. Okay, so border bottom and border gray, maybe we can say 600. Okay, save this. Okay, we are getting the border. Now I'll remove the background because this doesn't look good. In this h3 tag I will remove the background. Save this. But now this gray color is too light, so I'll give 700. Okay, now it is looking fine, but we need some padding here. So for that, what I will do is I'll remove this padding from here, and I'll give the padding here. Okay, so maybe I can give it after this. Okay, so padding 3. Okay, so now we are getting the padding. So this is one more styling you can do. Okay, so this was the one which I showed you earlier, and this is the second style which you can do it. Okay, so let me make this smaller. Okay, this also looks good in the mobile, so nothing to worry about it, but I'll keep this style for our layout. This is just another style which you can follow. Okay, these are like a traffic signal, red, yellow, or maybe orange. Okay, so maybe we can keep orange. Save this. Okay, so this looks good. Red, orange, and green. Okay, so I'll undo this. Okay, so this was just to show you that you can do much more with these boxes. So this is it for this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.